This is the elevator here at the Macy store at the Newport Center Mall in Jersey City, New Jersey. I apologize for that flickering light right there. This is very similar to the one at Willow Grove and Fair Oaks, except this one has the first floor as the main floor, and this one has a submersible pump as opposed to a dry power pump. I have no idea where the machine room is for this. If anybody knows where the machine room for this elevator is, please let me know in the comments below. Elevator number 5, so I guess they count the escalators. Someone just went up it. Alright, and there's copyrighted music playing, so I have to talk over the music. Alright. Here it is. Going up?
Yeah. Go for it. Thank you.
Which floor?
Yeah, okay, please.
Going up? All right. ADA compliant phone. Go ahead. You too. See if this lantern works. Nope. Oh my god, it's punched out. Call recognition. Oh!
Thank you.
Which floor are you going to? Which floor?
First.
Okay. Go ahead. Going down?
No, I'm still getting my grandma, so.
Alright, let's go up to 3. Schindler logo. Look up on the ceiling, who do you see? Hi. Cat view. Another difference between this one and the one at Willow Grove is that this one has a carpeted floor. I think it used to have a tile floor though. One thing's for sure, it didn't used to have call recognition. Because I saw Dan Allen's video of this elevator and it did not have call recognition. Basic empty fixtures. Alarm button doesn't work. We'll take one more ride. Come on in.
Got you. Understood.
Going up?
You go ahead, sir. Okay, thank you.
You going to 2 or 3?
2, sir.
Okay.
Thank you. Air conditioning, I mean So they on their own unit is still cut back, huh?
Yeah, but on the first floor is more hot than the other ones.
Okay.
Exactly. I don't know why.
Go ahead.
Second floor. Thank you. Have a good day.
You too, sir.
This is going up, ma'am.
No.
This is going up.
Okay.
Oh, you said you're going down? Okay. Alright. I'll end the video on 2.
¿Aló? ¿Aló? ¿Quién te va a traer?
No, this is the first floor.
¿Tu hermano? Oh. Okay. See you.
There's your Schindler logo
Sí.
right there.
Okay. Nos vemos a las 5. Bye. ¿Qué?
Right here we are at 2. This is where I'm gonna get off. Sorry, sir. And there it goes, and that's it.